Our company is established in Jinan, China. Since its establishment in 2004, with 17 years of factory experience, we have e-commerce operation team, sales team, and after-service team. And our associate company have search and development team, production team. Products includes all kinds of fiber laser cutting machine, laser marking machine, laser cleaning machine, laser welding machine, especially laser cutting products. Persist in innovation in this field, the maximum power can reach 30,000 watts and achieve success. Our associate company can produce metal plate, metal add tube, professional tube, mini precision fiber laser cutting machine. Also customize non-standard assist equipment as your detailed work requirements. Products are sold to USA, Canada, Russia, Australia, Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, over 150 countries and areas, especially our high-end products, are popular in USA, Spain, German, UK. Our associate companies supply OEM, ODM service for over 30 manufacturers. The theme of LXSHOW-Laser is quality first, customer first. We have our own advantages as following. 1. Our partner company has more than 16 years of rich production experience. 2. The best factory price. 3. Strict quality control system. 4. Free maintenance in life. 5. 3 years warranty. In the area of Industry 4.0, LXSHOW-Laser is striving to provide basic equipment and customized solution for the future industrial production, also to help enterprises increase productivity, thus making contributions to power metal cutting and laser change world.